What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes here with another video, and we've got another one from Cody from Xposed. I'm really excited about this one. Just came out, and let's just hop into it. Let's enjoy the ride, and like always, you guys check out Cody from Xposed. Like, subscribe. Let's have some fun.
Down anything.
All right, the audio is really loud, so I'm gonna try to adjust it for everybody here.
Let's make a run. Let's make a run. All right, let's go. Thank you.
The tables are hot.
See what's going on here first.
What?
See what's going on here.
What's up, bud? How you been, man?
I think this is when everybody was in Vegas for the Super Bowl Sunday.
These guys got a lock over this one.
Those boxes are pretty legendary. They will hold your money, your personal belongings. It's kind of cool.
Pokemon cards in back in the day. I'll cut it.
Okay. I was gonna say.
I'll cut it. Moo's the only one down money. I'm gonna bail him out. I'm bailing you out. I'm bailing you out. I'm bailing you out, Moo. I'm bailing him out. I'm bailing Moo out. That's right. Double up every time. We got him.
No way to get a number. Hey, BJ first.
1K. Right away, nice and quick. You know it won't be this easy, right? Everybody knows that. And it is. And it is. And it is.
He's like, it won't be that easy. Gets a 21.
Bailed out. Right.
This guy is crazy.
Jake, you need your 100. You need your 100 back.
What's so special about those glass waters, by the way?
Your yellows, you don't need to go there. Yeah, test out
The lemons.
I know exactly what the audio problem is. I'll fix the next stream, guys. Small. That's all right.
By one.
Hey, buddy, let's listen. Bad rat whisper. If you're doing on those with your big hands, buddy, what a one you found.
Big one.
14.
Nice.
$500.
Yeah.
I just tipped your waiter $500.
Yeah.
For 2 waters. For 2 waters.
That'll be 500. Thank you.
That'd be cool
Yeah.
to tip.
I didn't think
That
she
much.
did. I was like, I thought she thought it was $1.
Come on, big one. Nice.
Please.
Come on.
Big one.
Dang, let's go, guys.
That was great.
Let's go.
Oh, man.
Absolutely f***ing rolling, guys. I don't know what to say.
You couldn't ask for more.
This is the most incredible
Oh, here we go.
fucking
Here we
run.
go.
I'm going to take it
This
down.
is
I'll
a
take it up.
great,
It's a fucking 10. We know it is.
great
We know it is. No way.
What's up?
Don't matter.
Monkey
Matter.
guys. That was
Don't
great.
matter. Don't
Great bet.
matter.
That's why I love Cody, you guys. Really strategic. And I'm going to be doing a video about how Dana White bets. Kind of similar about how to get max wins out of your
I
bets.
don't know what's wrong, but I got a horseshoe wedged in my ass for the first time in a long time, fellas. Here we go. Dude, it's all working. Just put it up. Put it up.
Nice.
Oh my
What a
God.
great
bro.
hand.
This is incredible.
You guys, I love this stuff. I love this stuff.
There you go.
Hey, let's play together, gamble.
Let's do it. Let's gamble.
Whoa. Let's hold on here really quick. Really quick. Did you see how fast? Okay, he tips her. Hold on, we gotta go back. He tips her, and then I think she just instantly went, I want to bet that with you.
We are. There you go.
Hey, let's play together, gamble.
Let's do it.
Oh my God, I love this. I love the fact that the
Let's do it. Let's
casinos
go.
let
Come
y'all
on.
do. This is great.
Deal her in the game, fellas. 500. She wants to gamble.
16.
Leave
Ooh.
it. Leave it.
My God, tell me to hit it. What do you think?
Can you cut it?
She's
Pressure's on now. Hell yeah. What do you decide?
Surrender?
Hey, technically you can.
Surrender.
Yeah, that's
Surrender. Let's do it.
I take that.
That's a good move. She feels it.
It's all right. We're going to get it back anyways. We'll get it back.
500. Did the dealer select us too?
And do a surrender, yeah.
I'm putting you back in the game. Same amount.
See, oh yeah.
We'll see what the next card is. We'll see.
okay. Let's see what happens. This is
We're
interesting.
in $7,000, guys. $500 she's in for.
Oh,
Oh, damn, that would have been 20. That's tough. That's all right.
6.
That's all right.
Thank you, thank you.
Hey, man, she tried.
We'll do it again. We'll do it again. We'll get there. The dealer's a gambler, fellas.
I like that. I know. I like that.
Let's go.
Cool. Fast. All right, let's go.
We're at 6%. Okay. Guys,
One
we
more.
continue the stream. I have a charger.
Wait.
Stop. Why are you even waving it? He's not talking to you.
She's crazy. Come on. She wanted it. I know. She's sick. Let's go.
Let's go. Don't worry about it, brother. This is great.
He split two.
I sure did. I sure did.
Plus.
Bro, she's a gambler like you.
I know. I love it.
Let's go,
Awesome.
bro.
I am locked in right now, you guys.
That's why I got this shit. Don't worry about it. Deal in the game, 5,000.
All right, let's go.
Let's gamble, all right? Come
Let's
on.
go. This is
Let's
great.
go. $5,000 to dealers
This
in the
is
game,
great.
fellas. I don't want to hear greedy in the chat. Let's go. Come on. Big. 10.
No, this is the worst. Oh, no.
Yeah, I hit it.
Tease it. Tease it. Slow. Yeah. Oh.
Ooh, interesting.
That's fine. It's fine. Why are we celebrating? I thought it was a 4, honestly. I believe there's a fucking 3. I'm telling you. And if there is a 3, this is going to be absolutely legendary. Let's hit it and let's hit it small.
Man, he ran those
Come on.
chips
I think it's
up.
a 3.
You think it's 3? I think it's 4 and 5.
3, 4, 5 would be
Yeah,
awesome.
3, 4, 5.
Fucking 2.
Hurry up,
Nice
this
and
spider's
slow.
gonna die.
I love this.
4, 5.
No.
No, by 1.
Let's see what it has.
21. Didn't matter.
Yo, what's the plan? We're gonna die. 5%.
You told my thing.
Good try. Color that up. Hey, cashing another 25.
Is this without the 300, right? Yeah.
I already cashed.
That was really cool. She wanted to play. I love that kind of stuff.
Still alive.
18, nice. Nice.
We don't need to run, guys. Win-win. Win-win either way. Look at that perfect pair.
5.
She's gonna make it.
Nice.
Let's go. Back to 20.
Huge.
Here we go now.
Huge.
Come on. I gave Moo another 25, guys.
Gosh, man, it's so cool that she wanted to play. Wait, 5, 6, 7, 18. Oh yeah, you get a free hit. You have to. I get it. I had a counting flub. 13.
That's all right.
We're dying.
Thank you.
That was super fun, man. I wish you would have won, but hey, you can only win. But that was a short one, but very cool. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think that's what it's all about. I love the fact that she gave it a try. And what was it to her, man? I don't know. $5,000 though. $5,000 or nothing. I'll take the $5,000. I'll work hard for it. Speaking of working hard, you guys work hard, you degenerates, and until the next one. And I'm still working on that Dana White. I'm just trying to stop procrastinating. See ya.